sex ratio is extremely biased towards females, and the males are produced really only at one time if they have only one purpose to mate. She takes multiple mates and never mates again the rest of her life. Now, the sperm from the males is stored in a special pouch called spermatheca, and within that spermatheca, the female is able to provide nutrition and food to the sperm that can live for between 10 and 20 years. When she lays an egg, she has the ability to decide when the sperm is released from the spermatheca, and if fertilization does occur, then it always produces a male,